prayers. Om Bhur Bhuvat Swaha Tatsavidurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodaya Om Shanti Shanti. Namaste everyone. Let's start a class with the Sukshmayami. Interlock your fingers, open your arm, get it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get your arms up, get it towards the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Keep your both the hands in front of your chest. Now get it towards the right, left, twist upper body, turn your PJ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now get your both the hands up, tap your head. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe. Now we're going to do one yoga sequence. Anybody wants to drink water can have a sip of water. थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी पी लीजिए बीच में. Which is Pavan Paschimuktanasana. We are going to do it. Keep your both the legs straight. First, everyone will observe. Toes towards the ceiling. Now get your right leg in. Lift it up high, your body. Come back with your left hand. Hold your right ankle. Twist your upper body. Janurasana करेंगे. Come back. Keep your both right leg straight, left leg in. Lift your body up. Go down. With your right hand, hold your left ankle and twist your upper body towards the left side, Janurasana. Now keep your both the legs straight. Put your both the feet down. Knee को bend करेंगे. Lift your entire body up. Come back and completely go down to Paschimuktanasana. ठीक है? That will be your 1 count. Will we go very slow? 10 counts करेंगे. चलिए, let's start. Keep your both the legs straight. Keep your both the hands by your side. हाथ को साइड पे रखेंगे. Get your right leg in. Fold your right leg. Now come up on your left leg. Lift your body up. Go down with your left hand. Hold your right ankle. Twist your body towards the right side. Janurasana. Keep your right leg straight. Left leg in. Lift your body up. Come down. Right hand, left ankle. Twist your body towards the left side. Keep your both the legs straight. Feet on the floor. Bend your knee. Lift your entire body up. Whoever is a cervical, don't drop your head down. Come back. Keep your legs straight and hold your both the feet together. Paschimuktanasana. 1 count is done. Let's go towards the second one. Right in. Left, lift your body up. Janurasana. Left and right ankle. Twist your body towards the right. Right leg straight, left leg bend. Lift your body up. Janurasana. Twist your body towards the left side. Keep your both the legs straight. Bend your knees. Entire body will come up. Both the legs on the floor. Keep your both the legs straight. Go down. And relax. Second one is done. Let's go towards the third one. Inhale, exhale. Get your right leg in. Lift it up. Janurasana. Left leg in. Lift it up. Third one. Janurasana. Get your both the legs up. Entire body weight will come up. And go to Paschimuktanasana. Nice, everyone. Chale. Third one is done. Let's go towards the fourth one. Right in. We'll go a little faster because we have to do other things also. Lift it up high. Janurasana. Fourth one. Left in. Lift it up high. Janurasana towards the left side. Keep your both the legs straight, feet on the floor, lift it up high. Paschimottanasana. And relax. Fourth one is done. Let's go to the fifth one. Right in, lift it up high. Janurasana. Left in, lift it up high. Janurasana. Fifth one. Both the legs in, lift it up high. Come at the center. Get your left leg towards the right. Pavanmuktasana. Come at the center. Right leg towards the left side. Pavanmuktasana. Go down, put the hands down, push your body downward. Come back, hands in namaste to goddess. And keep both the legs straight. The second one is done. Let's go towards the third one. Let's go a little faster. Open your both the legs to goddess. Warrior two towards the right side. Right hand towards the right. Left towards the left. Come back, left. Warrior two. Left hand towards the left. Right, slide it behind. Come at the center. Left leg towards the right side. Pavanmuktasana. Right leg towards the left side. Pavanmuktasana. Go down. Goddess. Get your both the legs at the center. Third one is done. Let's go towards the fourth one. Open your legs to warrior two. Sorry, goddess, third, fourth one. Warrior two. Towards the right. Towards the left. Get your left leg towards the right. Pavanmuktasana. Left leg towards the right. Pavanmuktasana. Go down completely. Come up in goddess and relax yourself. Fourth one is done. Let's go towards the fifth one. Goddess position. To warrior two. Right down, left down, right. Left side, left down, right down, left. Left leg towards the right. Pavanmuktasana. Pavanmuktasana, standing. Go down. Both the legs together. Come up to goddess and relax yourself. Fifth one is done. Let's go towards the sixth one. More 5 to go. So get your both the legs together. Hands in namaste. Open your legs to goddess. Warrior one, two, warrior two towards the right side. Warrior two towards the left side. Left leg towards the right, Pavanmuktasana. Right leg towards the left, Pavanmuktasana. Go down. Goddess position. And get both the legs together. Sixth one is done. Let's go towards the seventh one. Hope you are at the same page. Nice, everyone. Simple, but very effective for entire for body fat loss के लिए. चले. Goddess position. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now make a round circle with your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now keep your right hand on your right side of your waist. Now kick your right leg towards the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, side 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, go high 13, 14, and 15. Relax, breathe. Now turn your body towards the other side. Now hold your handle or wall or water. Now swing your left leg, keep your left hand on your left side of your waist. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Make a big circle with your right leg, left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Big circle. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Kick it towards the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Breathe, relax. Anybody wants to drink water can have a sip of water. Okay, now keep your left leg on the wall or a wardrobe. Firmly place it. Should not fall. लेफ्ट लेग को नीचे रखे, थोड़ा ऊपर मत रखना. Yes. Now, with my both the hands, I'm going to touch my left side of my foot, go down, right side of my foot, right. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And then namaste. Rub your palm. Namaste. Place it on your eyes. And then also open your eyes. Namaste, everyone. We all are going to see you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Anybody has any question can ask the question. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Lavanya ji. Bye. Thank you. Anybody has any question? Yes, somebody has a question.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care. Happy weekend to everyone. Enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye. Take
Excuse me,
care.
ma'am.
Yes, boliye.
Excuse me, ma'am. You had
Yes.
yesterday you had used the dumbbells,
Yes.
ma'am. Which how much weight I have to buy?
2.5 to 3.
2 and 3.
2.5, between 2.5 to 3.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Now, somebody asked for the Saitika. Now, Saitika, today what we did for the wall exercise, that's all exercise you can do it. Yes, Mehak ji. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Chale, bye, everyone. Seems to be there is no question. Bye-bye. Take care.